Hello and welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Dana Mohan. I am the co-owner of Allergy Navigator. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free for you. All you have to do is tap the little bell. It lets us know that we are putting out helpful content, and it lets you know when we post more information so that you never miss out on a thing. Okay. Detoxing your laundry and cleaning products. Oh man, let's just dive in here. Let's talk about why detoxing your laundry and your cleaning products are a must. So rusticstrength.com helps to break it down, and I'm just going to give you the gist of it, okay? A lot of common ingredients and cleaners are packed with nasty stuff like carcinogens. These are cancer causers, people. Allergens and hormone disruptors. Yikes! So here's the lowdown. Carcinogens. These can cause cancer and include ingredients like alcohols, formaldehyde, and VOCs. Allergens can trigger allergic reactions, so watch out for SLS, artificial dyes, and parabens. And endocrine disruptors mess with your hormones and immune system. The culprits include optical brighteners and sodium borate. And here's how to avoid them. Look out for words like fragrance or preservatives and brighteners on the label. Avoid anything with artificial colors like FD&C red number 40 or blue number 1. Watch out for chlorine bleach. It is everywhere. And here's a quick tip. Even if a product says natural, okay, it doesn't always mean safe. So do your homework. Check out brands like Rustic Strength. I like them because they're research-backed for non-toxic options. We've got lots of clean products out there, all-purpose spray cleaner and unbleach that'll tackle any mess without harmful chemicals, okay? If you've got questions, reach out to us through comments and feel free to check out rusticstrength.com. I'm sure we're all happy to help, and no, we are not sponsored by them. I just really like them. Like, share, and subscribe this video for more allergy-friendly insights. So we'll see you next time, navigators.